everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bilal Ahmad and in today's video I am going to be explaining you a topic JavaScript. So let's get started. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a versatile and widely used programming language that is primarily used for web development. It enables the creation of dynamic and interactive content on websites. Originally developed by Netscape, JavaScript is now supported by all major web browsers, making it a fundamental part of front-end web development. Key features of JavaScript: client-side scripting. JavaScript is mainly executed on the client side, allowing it to manipulate the document object model (DOM) to dynamically update and modify web page content without the need for server interaction. Event-driven programming. JavaScript is event-driven, meaning it can respond to user actions such as clicks, key presses, and mouse movements. This makes it well suited for creating interactive and responsive user interface. Asynchronous programming. JavaScript supports asynchronous programming, which allows tasks to be performed independently of the main programming flow. This is crucial for handling tasks like fetching data from servers without blocking the rest of the programming. Cross-browser compatibility. JavaScript is supported by all major web browsers, making it a reliable choice for creating consistent experiences across different platforms. Object-oriented. JavaScript is an object-oriented language, allowing developers to create and manipulate objects. This supports the creation of modular and reusable code. Extensibility. Developers can enhance JavaScript functionality through the use of third libraries and frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue.js. JavaScript is not limited to the client side. With the advent of technologies like Node.js, it can also be used for server-side development. This enables developers to use a single language for both client and server-side tasks, fostering code reuse and simplifying the development process. How JavaScript is better than other languages. Determining whether JavaScript is better than other programming languages depends on the context of use and specific requirements of a project. Different languages are designed for different purposes, and each has its strengths and weaknesses. Here are some aspects JavaScript might be considered advantageous, especially in the context of web development. Versatility. JavaScript is a versatile language that supports both procedural and object-oriented programming. Its flexibility allows developers to approach problems in multiple ways. Full stack development. With the advent of Node.js, JavaScript can now be used for server-side development as well. This allows developers to use a single language for both client and server side, promoting code reuse and consistent development environment. Community support. JavaScript has a large and active developer community. This means that there are abundant resources, tutorials, and forums available for developers seeking help or looking to share their knowledge. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.